The Nilip head branch of the Karbi Students Association had today felicitated the successful HSLC candidates from Nilip constituency area. The program was chaired by Nilip KSA President Gabriel Kiling and attended by Bokajan KSA President Moniram Teron and Longbirson Tiso. Former Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council MEC Samson Tiso, ASDC leader Sunil Togbi, Nilip KCS President Suresh Tiso, Nilip KLA leader Bilison Terang, Jacob Tiso, and several other dignitaries were also present along with hundreds of HSLC successful candidates. From the Chokihola Center, a total of 354 candidates sat for the HSLC examination 2022, out of which 243 came out successful, making the pass percentage of 68.64%. Of them, 26 students had secured first division, 106 secured second division, while 111 passed with a third division mark.
Nine pen elective enmenta Karbi bange talban di propang manda ning hangu apani le susah bang bor ipek lo chali bang man begi pu mamang un chilo Karbi bude grammar abang sungkrum.
Sangmir Teronpi, securing 81.81%, was the topper of the center, followed by Cleared-up Ingti with 78.6% and Sarkiri Hanse with 78.4%. It was informed that Sarkiri Hanse was the only student from the center who had scored letter mark in Karbi subject.
So myself Tanya Dash, first time introducing myself. Today I'm feeling really happy and I feel very gratitude because they invite us in this occasion for showing their gratitude and for congratulating us for our experience in our matriculation exam. So I thank our Karbi State Association for inviting us and for giving us our gift and also the treat for them and also providing the need of education. Today as a generation, many of the remote area people think that doesn't know the importance of education, but these people which is associating this program will make us to aware that the need of education for today's generation and for the upcoming generation also. Thank you.
The young students were given guidance on career options and the way to go ahead for higher studies in their future. Students have thanked the organizers for organizing the event.
For the Nilip students, but for the entire Karbi Anglong, career guidance awareness program need to be start. Not only for the Nilip, I think we have students from all over Karbi Anglong, so most of the students, particularly from the remote areas, they are from the very financially very poor families. So and their parents are also, many of them are illiterate, so they don't have the guidance which course to follow after their passing out from their high school and their higher secondary. So I think career guidance is important. So we, the Karbi Student Association, will take this initiative in coming days, not only here in Nilip, but also in other parts of Karbi Anglong as well.
Sanjit Crow's report from Chokihola, Karbi Anglong Live.